Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde. So you see I am alive and it's an absolutely beautiful day. Look at that sky, and for a change today we're doing a food review in Cleveleys. That's our lovely little clock shelter down there. And this is a brand new business that's not been open very long, and she'd popped a message on one of my videos, on a comment on one of my videos on YouTube saying, I'm open, come and see me. So here I am, as I've just said to her. So we're going to go and have some proper food today that's not full of junk and additives. And 29,000 million calories. So if you like me and you wish people would serve something a little bit more nutritious, then this is the place to come. This is the Juice Bar, which is newly opened in Cleveleys. So don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed to Visit Fylde. Make sure that you've hit the little bell so you get the notifications, and don't forget to sign up for your Visit Fylde email newsletter, which you can get at visitfyldecoast.info/newsletter. Right, come along then, let's go and have a look, shall we? So we're literally right at the side of the beach. Just look at that sky. It's actually been a little tiny. This is what passes for snow in these parts. There's been a little tiny bit of snow this morning. It's very nippy, but we're just a hop, skip and a jump from the seafront, and we're at the corner of King's Road. So this is Juice Wave, where we're going to go for our lunch today. So this is a new business. She opened in September 2024, and we do poke bowls and salads and paninis and all that kind of stuff. So here's the menu. Look on the window. Here's the menu. So the light's shining on it. I'll show it you inside. But they've got bowls with different things in, paninis, smoothies, juices, all that kind of stuff. Some nice outdoor seating so that you can enjoy the nice weather when it's better weather, or if you want to smoke, or if you've got a dog or anything. And then inside, this is the lovely little shop. So this is Carol. Carol is getting my lunch ready. She was taking her Christmas decorations down when I walked in. So you're Carol.
Hi.
Hello, Carol. Nice to meet you. And welcome to Cleveleys. Oh goodness, I think that might be my lunch that's on the way. That looks very nice. You can see the menu now. So we've got how do you pronounce that? Acai bowls. Is that acai bowls?
Yeah, acai bowls.
Acai bowls.
Acai bowls.
You see, I'm just a northerner. I'm not into that kind of thing. So we've got pork style bowls. So I'm having the prawn one with sushi rice, cucumber, edamame beans. So tomorrow I shall be bouncing with energy because I've had all them vitamins, which is a joke because I never bounce with energy. Salads, paninis, smoothies and juices. So I'm looking forward to this, to be honest. So inside there's a very now then, what's the word? Hawaiian vibe?
Yeah, beachy Hawaiian vibe.
Beachy Hawaiian vibe going on. So we've got loads of surfboards. I'm losing my teeth, aren't I? Surfboards and cane furniture, and it's all very comfy and all very friendly. So you can relax over whatever it is that you're eating. There's normally music on and the radio in the background, but I've asked her to turn it off because obviously it picks it up. So this is a smoothie for me in process. This is just jumping around in the blender. And you're doing soups as well, Carol?
I am doing soups as well, yeah. Homemade vegetarian soups every day. So.
Marvellous.
Yeah.
Homemade vegetarian. So these obviously are mostly cool and cold types of food. But the soup will warm you up in the cold weather. Right, welcome to my lunch. Let's see what's in this then, shall we? So this is a poke bowl, and in it I've got prawns. I've got the prawn option. So there's tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. the white rice underneath is warm. Cheers, that's lovely. That's really nice. I think this is going to be messy to eat, so apologies now. Before we start. Oh, heck. That's carrot. That looks like, oh, it's pickled onions. I thought it was pickled cabbage, but I think it's pickled onions. That's lovely. That sauce is nice. So it's spicy mayo, teriyaki and ponzu dressing, whatever that is. So it's lightly spiced. It's not blowing the top off my head. And it's really tasty. That's lovely. That's really nice. And mommy beans. That's mango. Ooh, cucumber. I think I'm going to get a spoon in a minute. That's really nice. I'm trying to make sure that I've got some sauce on my rice when I get to the bottom, because I don't want bone dry rice. That's lovely. You'll notice it's a takeaway bowl, so you can eat in. They're available on Just Eat. There's a chap just in then collecting something. And you can come and pick food up and order it yourself.
That's one of the acai bowls. That's a bit messy one actually, because that's for a gentleman who doesn't have granola on it. Yeah. So these meat paninis as well, so they're really, really good for that.
That's lovely.
Poke bowl. That's a tuna poke bowl. So it's sushi rice. So it's quite sticky rice.
A poke bowl, sorry, not a poke bowl.
And then it's topped with all, I'll show you what it's topped with as well. You get everything that's on here.
It's lovely.
You get everything, so you get avocado, fresh mango, cucumber.
It's really nice, that. I'm going to get a spoon. I'm going to be here all day. I'm going to be here all day, otherwise. Let's revert to a spoon. It's lovely. It's very nice.
Oh, I'm glad you did. I should have called it the Poke Bowl shop, because everybody has been so popular.
Mm.
£5, please, on card. It'll just pop up on there for you.
Having trouble with me carrot strands.
No, all right, thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.
That's really nice.
It's good, isn't it?
It's very nice.
It's so. Honestly, I ordered when I opened. I ordered 400. You know, of they bowls, and they've gone out to order more in November. My husband said, "Surely you've not sold that many." I said, "I have." Honestly, people.
Well, I have to say, I'm full to the top. I've got a tiny little bit left in the bottom. I'm just about there. That's really filling. Really, really filling. Very, very nice. She's just been educating me. I said to her, you know, I do cook properly when I'm cooking at home. But our kind of generation is more kind of meat and vegetables knowledge. So apparently, SI, did you pronounce it? Is a superfood. And it's a powder. There you go. I like my platter clean, that was lovely. Really enjoyed that. And this is my smoothie. This is delightful.
I'll go in next door in a second.
I can't remember which one I got. I think I got Baywatch, strawberry, banana and orange. It's very, very nice. It's lovely, that. Apparently the customer that told Carol to get in touch with me said to her, make sure you've got something sweet in because she's partial to cake. That's lovely.
Yeah, it's really nice actually.
I can't really show it to you, but it's really light and fluffy. You see? She's got a super powerful blender. It's not like my little blender at home. That's a nice pudding, that. I'm going to take that home with me. In fact, I'm going to take one for my friend Liz, because I'm sure that'll be right up her street. So plenty of vegetarian stuff, in fact, apart from the prawns. And I think I heard tuna mentioned. Oh yeah, apart from your prawns and your tuna and your chicken type thing, it's all veggies. It's all goodness. So there you are. Well, what did you think to that then? If you want some proper food and you can't be bothered to cook and you want something that's fresh and full of vitamins and not full of junk, then you need to come to the Juice Wave bar in Cleveleys. Really impressed with that. I tell you something, that poké bowl was enough to feed two. I could have shared that with Kevin quite easily, and I am full to the top now. But it was very, very nice. I definitely have one of them again. And what a lovely woman as well. So welcome to Cleveleys, Carol. Nice to have you here. So don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed to Visit Fylde Coast. Make sure that you've hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to sign up for your email newsletter. And we'll go and see what revelations we can find next on our travels for our Friday food reviews. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye for now.